Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt. So I'm trying something new. I have a mic on since I'm having problems with the mic on my device. So I'm getting ready to go. I have to go somewhere here in a few minutes and I'm going to be doing my hair. So I figured I would record my hair separate from my makeup since a lot of people prefer to watch hair videos versus makeup videos. Now I'm going to be wearing my hair natural. It's wet right now. I'm going to be adding in the Moroccan Sleek oil and the Marvelous oil, which is also another Moroccan oil, but it's got avocado in it. And then on top of that, I will be using the Briogeo Curl Charisma after I put those other products in. And I haven't really brushed my hair yet, so I'm going to go ahead and take it down. And I'm trying a new setup here. Not sure if I like it, but so far so good. We'll see how it works. So my hair is pretty wet. Let me towel dry some of it just to get some of the extra moisture out. And with thick curly hair like I've got, it's not like really curly, it's more like wavy. You want to like grab your hair and like scrunch it. You don't ever want to take your towel and like rub it back and forth because that can actually damage your hair. So I'm going to start with the serum first. It says on here, triple nutrition marvelous oil hair elixir with avocado, olive, and almond oils for dry to very dry hair, 3 times moisture. So you figure, and I did 4 pumps. Because I live in Florida and we have a lot of humidity and my hair is really long, I probably need more than 4 pumps because I only did the ends of my hair. And for people that have like an oily scalp, I would recommend not putting this directly on your scalp. But I actually have a very dry scalp to the point where there are times when it like itches and then it'll flake. And I don't have dandruff, but I do have an extremely dry scalp. Even my face is really dry. I've got spots on my face that like peel. And it doesn't matter what moisturizer I use. I am trying a new skincare routine right now. So we'll see if that helps with some of the moisture on my skin. So far, so good. And then I'm going to add about a quarter size amount of this oil. This is the Sleek and Shine Moroccan Sleek Oil Treatment with argan oil from Morocco. It says for frizzy, dry, unmanageable hair, instant sleek, proven strength system, and it's all part of the whole Moroccan Sleek. I did use the shampoo and conditioner that goes with that. And basically I flip over and get my hair. When I'm working on the ends, I scrunch the ends, kind of like squash it together, and then I'll twist my hair, and it's still really wet. And dry my hands off. And my shoulder's wet. Okay, and while my hair is down, let's see if I can move the camera some. That way you can see what I'm doing. You always want to start at the ends and brush up. You don't ever want to start at the scalp and brush down because that can also damage your hair. I've got like water splashing on my legs. I figured I'd kneel down so you could see what I was doing. Grab the microphone wire. Now you can see the mic. When I get to the base of my neck, which is what they call the nap, I always brush everything back and then I'll grab my hair and get it right at the nape and then brush under my hair as well. And because of how damp my hair is, I'm going to go ahead and towel dry it just a little again before I put in the other product. Now that I've got some of the moisture towel dried, I'm going to take the Briogeo Curl Charisma, and I take usually a quarter size amount. Of the gel, and I usually lay it down on the counter. Now the directions say to start at your scalp and work down. I do it a little different. I start at the ends and work up to my scalp. And I'm going to take a little bit more just so I can get all the hair in the front. And then I separate my hair out and I get the crown of my head. And then once I've got it all worked through and I can't feel it on my hands anymore, I then scrunch my hair. Figured you'd want to see this. I usually take my fingers and just kind of like massage and scrunch on my scalp area. Put the lid back on it. This is where I will part it. And then I scrunch on the sides as well. And then I will show you where it is in the back. So you figure my natural waist is right here, and there's my hair, right at my natural waist, well, a little bit past it. And then a lot of people were wondering about growing it down to my belt buckle or my belt. My hair is at my belt now. I'm debating on growing it down to here and then cutting it. I might grow it a little longer, like to here. But that way you can see. And this is all of my hair back. Move the camera back up. I'll separate it and bring it forward. And then I'll move it back down so you can see. With all my hair forward, again, as you can see, this is my natural waist. And my belly button is right here, which is where my other waist is, lower waist. So my hair, when I pull it all forward, is past my natural waist. It's almost to my belt in the front. But when I put it back, it's at my belt. And my hair is wet. So as it dries, it'll shrink up some. And because I'm going to be doing makeup in a minute, I'm going to go ahead and grab my hair up. And I grab little sections and bring it up at a time. And when I know that I've got it all up, I twist it in a loose bun and grab a butterfly clip and just clip it up. And because my hair is heavy, that doesn't want to hold all of it. Of course, I don't have another clip in there. And grab this jeweled butterfly clip and just kind of grab it. And with my hair like this, when it dries, I'll have more volume in the front. And you can do whatever you want when it comes to pulling your hair back, but this just is kind of easy. It leaves my hair curly and it doesn't dry as quick when it's up. And now it's away from my face, so I don't have to use one of these, because if I did this, it's gonna leave like a straight part. Even if I like push it forward, all of this is gonna be straight. So I don't wanna do that. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave that off. And as my hair dries, like I said, I'll have more volume in the front. It'll leave my natural wave where it needs to be. And I can put my makeup on without having to worry about whether or not my hair is going to be having like straight parts or anything like that, which is nice. It makes it convenient for me to put makeup on and not worry about having to get makeup in my hair or my hair getting in the way of me putting my makeup on, because I've got a lot of hair. And then what I'll do is after I get my makeup on, I will come back and I will show you like what my hair looks like down and with makeup on, and you'll get an idea of that as well. So I will see you guys in a little bit. I will record a second video after my makeup, so it'll be 2 separate videos. So I will see you guys in a little bit. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with your friends. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. If you have any questions about the products that I've used, or you want me to try different hair products, let me know. I've got a ton of stuff in my closet that I have samples of that I haven't opened yet that I'm interested in trying. So if you want to see some of those, let me know. And I do have, where I put them? I guess you could say that was a good catch. Towel landed right on my back. I have 2 samples that I got from Ulta. This one is Orchid Oil Shampoo and Conditioner. It says with UVA and UVB sun filters. And this one is Coconut Milk and Honey Quench and Control Frizz, free of sulfates and parabens, Curl Care Shampoo and Conditioner. So I've got 2 little packets here. I should be able to get 2 uses out of each, so I can do reviews on these as well. Let me just throw those back in the shower. So I will see you guys in a little bit, and I will have makeup on then, and we'll see how it goes. I'll see you guys in a bit. Have a great day or night, wherever you are. Bye.
The video that I took that had the end result with the makeup look and my hair down ended up, the sound in the video didn't match up, and I've tried to fix it as best I can, but I can't even fix the video that has the makeup look in it. And it's like I say something and then 5 seconds later the voice actually catches up with the lip movements, so the entire video is like off for whatever reason. And even trying to move the voice track to match the mouth movements, it didn't work. And part of the video is like blurry, so I ended up just scrapping the whole thing. So here are pictures from Snapchat that I took to show the makeup look, and a little bit of a video explaining why.
Makeup today, and I was supposed to go somewhere and be there before 4, but I called the guy at like 2:15, 2:30, and he said he had already left and that his employee was there, which means his employee can't pay me for the pet rats that I was going to bring. So now I'm all made up and I'm dressed and I'm ready to go. I even have my jewelry on, but yet I have nowhere to go now. So
Hopefully from these pictures you will get a better idea of what my hair looks like dry and down. And it's funny, you know, you make plans to go and do something, and then next thing you know, the person you're supposed to go and meet up with either doesn't call, doesn't text, or just kind of ignores the hell out of you. So I got ready. I had a time that I was supposed to meet the person, and they didn't respond to their phone in any way, shape, form, or another. So I just gave up trying. But here's my completed look for makeup and hair for April 7th of 2018.